Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be removing the outer tail light from a Renault Latitude. This one is fairly easy to do, and I believe everyone can do this one at home. Over here we have our tail light. We'll remove the inner trim or cover in the boot to have access to the nuts and the cable with the plug for the tail light. There's two 8mm nuts that hold the tail light in place, as well as one clip which I will show you shortly. First, remove the nuts. This is not the tricky part. The tricky part would be to remove the clip, which you'll need a plastic tool or clip remover and not a metal one, so you do not damage any paint or break any part of the lights. So the nuts for the tail light are off, and then with our plastic tool from the side we want to slide the tail light to the rear of the vehicle. So as you can see, like so, slide it out. Next we need to detach the cable with the plug. As you can see, the cable runs in with the plug. Push that part of the plug and you can detach the plug. Putting this tail light back in, first plug the tail light and then slide it in and then put the nuts on, and that's basically what you do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.